Okay, let's go over our pages for today, Friday, 4/17. So actually there's not a question on here, but they did want us to make sure we draw some arrows right here. So it says, blood flows from the right atrium to the right ventricle and then to the lungs through a special artery called the pulmonary artery. Here it gets oxygenated and then is pumped back to the heart by way of the pulmonary vein. Draw arrows to show the direction of the blood flow. So here we can see that I drew the arrows for the blood flow. So the arrows are going up to the right and then going down to the left. And then if that's following in through here in the left side of the heart, so it's still going down, then it goes up through here. And then right here on the left side, it's going up and then down, and then it go up through here. And then here on the right side, it goes around here and then down there. All right, let's go look at the next page. Okay, so for this question, they said, what are the three main types of blood vessels and what are their jobs? So arteries carry blood away from the heart, veins carry blood to the heart, and capillaries allow for exchange of substances. So the main three types are arteries, veins, and capillaries. Then at the bottom here, they gave us some information for the blood flow, rate for different parts of the body, and the resting and the intense exercise. So how fast the blood is getting to those different parts of the body, if you are just sitting down resting or if you're actually doing some intense exercise. So they wanted us to take this data and graph it on this chart. So the brain is actually the same blood flow rate for when it's resting or intense exercise. And notice, depending on what color you used, I went ahead and shaded in blue since I'm shading in the resting part blue. Then for the heart muscle, there's actually the blood flow increases when you're doing intense exercise. For the kidneys, it actually decreases when you're doing intense exercise. For the skeletal muscle, it increases so much, like so much more when you're doing intense exercise. And then for the skin, it also increases, but not as much as the skeletal muscle. All right, hopefully you checked your answers, updated anything that was different than mine, and I'll see you all next week.